Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make rows column and column rows in Google spreadsheet. For example, like this. So my client want this here and this to here, but I did by mistake. So let's do this with a very single smart shortcut. So first of all, just select this and press Ctrl C. Then right click and select Paste Special and then go to transpose. See, now the rows has turned into columns and column into rows. Now just remove this extra thing and let's see. See, everything is perfect like it was before. So that's it for the video. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye.